Look at these leaves. They're so amazing. It's a carpet. It's a brown carpet of different shades of brown. They're all natural. And they cover the earth like a blanket. Look how wonderful this is. Do you take time from your busy day to notice wet leaves, fallen leaves, fallen branches, nature? Would you take 5 minutes today from your busy life to just notice what is around you? Nature is so amazing. Take a walk. Take a short walk and just notice the leaves, the air, the breeze touching. I'm just looking if any leaves are falling right now as I'm speaking. It's cloudy. It's a typical autumn day in the forest. I'm quite close to the street, so I can still hear some cars passing by. But the scents in the forest are so earthy, so strong. I just love breathing in this fresh air. I hope you take some time today and take a walk in the park, somewhere in nature, in your garden, or just, I just really hope you find a corner where there is nature. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I wish you a beautiful day.